Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can clone a GitHub repository. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the repository that you want to clone. From here, just navigate through the code menu, click on code, and then you want to navigate through the GitHub CLI. Now from here, you just want to copy the command to your clipboard. Now you want to copy the GitHub CLI if you're using the official GitHub application, but in our case, if you want to use your terminal or our terminal, you just want to copy the HTTPS. Right after that, you just want to head over to your command prompt, click run as administrator, and from there you then want to type cd. In my case, since I want to place this file onto my desktop, I'll just type desktop right here, and you will be able to confirm your location by seeing the location of the file right here, which is going to be my name and it's going to be on my desktop. From there, the last thing to do now is to type git clone space, and then you want to paste the HTTPS that we got from the repository. From there, it will then go ahead and clone the repository, and if we navigate through our desktop right here, we can then see the cloned repository. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.